Hi, today we'll be unboxing the latest Vanguard VG-V-EB10 featuring Gopardin, Great Nature and Neon Nectar. Right, so this is the box design. Right, so each box comes with 12 packs. Box topper. You will either get the force, the marker type 1 or type 2 pack, and there's only 2 types. Right, as there's only force and excel in this set. Alright, so this is the pack design. Alright, as usual, we have one or more rare. The news are first Vanguard, Spring Breeze Messenger, new Critical Trigger, and a reprint. Alright, so this is a reprinted plant token. Draw and try sell rabbit. Alright, our first double R, we have this is Arbor Dragon plant now. Another new critical trigger. Alright, so this is the new plant token with 10,000 power, boost, intercept, and 10,000 guard, 1 crit. Right, looks like something that came from Alice in the Wonderland. Right, our new Sentinel, Melon. Right, very cute. And more triggers. Right, next we have the Full Barrier Dragon. Alright, so activate, so blast 1, look at top of your deck, call it onto a rearguard circle, and your Vanguard get power plus 5,000. Alright, so this is the new Hamsuke's classmate. If it's on, when other unit enters a extra rearguard circle, you can counter blast 1, put 1 card from your hand into soul. During this turn, this unit get power plus. This unit and that unit get power plus 10,000, and you have 2 or more extra rearguard circle, draw 1. Alright, definitely a good blast for the Hamsuke deck. Right, so we have our VR. Take a look. So we have the Great Sage Isabel. Right, very beautiful. Alright. Right, so we have the Escrado. Right, definitely must play for the new Paladin deck. Alright, so we have another Hamsuke's classmate. Right, so let's put the low rarity aside. Right, so from our first box, we open 4 different double R, 1 VR, and 2 triple R. Right, let's go for the last box. Hope we get to open the SSR pack. Alright, so we have Ouroboros for our second VR. Right, so this is the new Ace monster for Neo Nectar that makes your plant token into the 10,000 powered token instead of the usual 5,000. Great deal Ouroboros. Our new Musketeer. Two more packs. Let's go. Oh, here it comes. So we have managed to open the SS. What's the name for it? SSR pack. Alright, let's go. Right, so we have Isabel here. Right, very beautiful. Next we have a reprinted Leopard. The Asuka symbol, full art. And here is Matilda. Binoculars Tiger. Sessio. Monocles Tiger. And most importantly, we have the cable ship. Right, look at this beautiful cable ship. Right, so we managed to open the SSR pack. I wonder if it's one per carton. Right, so we have finished opening our last box. Let's take a look at the result. Right, so for VR, we managed to open 1 VR, 2 triple R, 4 double R, and most importantly, we opened the Asuka pack or SSR pack. Alright, let's take a look at the result from one full carton of 24 boxes. Right, first of all, let's take a look at the points. Right, so SSR pack. So for the points, we managed to open 8 points. For SP, we managed to open 2 of them. Right, look at this beautiful full art. Right. Right, so 2 SP. Let's put this down a bit. 3 SVR, 1 each. Right. I really love the new design for the SVR. Right. Then next we have the new IGR. So this is for the Force. Nanami colored. Next we have Excel. Right, look at the beautiful texture. And of course we have one more Excel 2. Right, so that's for the IGR. Now let's take a look at the VR. So for Agraville, we managed to open 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. 7 copies. For Alboros, also 7 copies. And Isabel, 7, including the an additional of the Asuka pack. So we actually have 9. Right, so that's all from the carton opening, and we'll be doing some deck introduction for decks that you can build from this set, and over the weekend we'll also test out different builds. Alright, so see you